Today, I'm going to show you how to add products to your blog posts using DropInBlog. To add a product to your post, open the editor. Find a good place to insert your product. Just click there, add some space if necessary. Then, look for the shopping bag icon in the main toolbar. Click on it. A pop-up window will open displaying some of your store's products. You can also search for a specific product from your store using the search bar. Click the Insert button to the right of the product you want to add to your post. There it is, and we'll add the other one as well. In the content area of your editor, a shortcode placeholder will appear where your product should be. When satisfied with your changes, click on Save Post to the right. Once saved, click on View Post right below Save Post over here to view your products in the live post. And there's your blog. Let's look at our products. There's our products. If your product has variables, like ours does, they will be accessible from within the blog post as well. If these variants have different prices, the prices will automatically be adjusted to the selected product. That's it for adding products to your blog posts. Now you can also adjust the look of the Product Embed button from your account settings. First, you can change the button colors. To do that, visit the Layout tab. Once in the Layout page, under Design Customizations, look for the CTA button background color and CTA button text color fields. Clicking on either of these fields will open a color palette of suggested colors. Select one of the colors from the pop-up or add a color code of any color you'd like to use. Once you're happy with your changes, to save them, click on Save Design Customizations. That's it for changing button colors. The second way you can adjust the look of the Product Embed button is by changing the default button text and action. To make these adjustments, go to your DropInBlog settings page. Once in the settings page, navigate to the main settings section, and right at the bottom of the section, you'll see the following fields. Product Embed Read More Text. This text is where you'll add a product link, so when a user clicks on it, they'll see the full product description and all the other information about a particular product. Product Embed Button Text, your call to action, and Product Embed Action, which determines where users will be directed after they click the button. You can write anything in the Product Embed button and read more text boxes, for example, buy now or make it yours. When it comes to the Product Embed button action, if you click on the dropdown, you can choose between Add to Cart and View Product options. Selecting the View Product option will take users to the products page where they can find more information about the product. The Add to Cart option will take them straight to your store's checkout page. Once you're happy with your changes, click on Save All Changes. And that's how you add products to your blog posts using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!